Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Barbie from Barbie in a fashion fairy tale and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit, and to create this outfit you need all these items. These are the items that you need to put on to create this outfit. Okay, start from the hairstyle. You can choose this wavy hairstyle and you're going to toggle it to back and remove all the flowers. And for the color, you're going to make it this color. And then this hairstyle, you're going to make it the same color. And then for the adjustment, just leave it like that. And then this hairstyle, make it no bangs, and then you're going to make it this color. Okay, done for the hairstyle. And the next one, you're going to put on this ribbon, make it this pink color, and then make it type 2 and make it glitter. And then you're going to put on this necklace. For the necklace, you're going to make it this color. Okay, and then this skirt, this is from the VIP room, and you're going to make it this pink color, and then you're going to change all the material to glitter. Okay, and combine it with this belt. This is also from the VIP room. You're going to make it this color, and then you're going to do adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate and scale for this belt. Okay, and then you're going to put on this skirt from the world culture update. You're going to make it white and make it glitter. Combine it with this dress. You're going to make it only skirt, and you're going to make it this color. And then this skirt, you're going to make it no layer and make it the same pink color, make it glitter. Okay, and I think I have already mentioned all the items that you need to choose, and you will have this Barbie look and dress to impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.